Good morning, everyone. My name is Balki. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a faith, fashion, and lifestyle YouTube blogger and vlogger, and you're welcome. So you can see that I'm sweating a little bit because I just came back from the market. Just in Africa, in Sierra Leone, if you want to eat your food, if you want to eat a meal, you want to cook, you have to go to the market, and it can be a bit stressful because it's so crowded. And it's Friday morning, so yeah. So I just want to show you what I got from the market. I'm gonna cook 3 soups: okra, greens, and peanut stew, granite stew. Sierra Leoneans, we call it granite stew. So yeah, these are just some of the things I got from the market. And first, fish. It's a lot of fish. So got some fish, and then got some tomato. It's called Simpa tomato, yeah. And then this is like a pepper soup seasoning, and this is peanuts, yeah. More fish. This is what the greens look like, yeah. It's a lot of greens. Some beans to put in the greens, yep. More peanuts. Some tomatoes, it's in there. You can't see it, but tomatoes. More peanuts. These are some peppers, spices, that they're like habanero peppers, yeah. They're really hot, very hot. These are just like cow skin. They call it kanda. It's just cow skin. Peppers, more peppers. Okra, it's in there. I don't want to like rip the plastics, but it's there. This is okra. Fish seasoning powder, and this is called ogiri. Yeah, I don't know the English word for it, but find it out. I'll look for the English word, but this is called ogiri. So yeah, these are just some of the things I got from the market today, and another video is coming up where I am going to show you how cooking is done in Freetown, Sierra Leone. Okay, all right. Okay guys, this was the end result. Delicious plates of grains. Thank you for watching.